His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa held a telephone call with the President of Egypt, Abdel Fattah al-Sisi. His Majesty inquired about the situation in Egypt following the recent earthquake, wishing for the safety and well-being of the Egyptian people and for Egypt's continued security and stability. His Majesty the King reaffirmed Bahrain's full solidarity with Egypt and its support during these circumstances. The two leaders also reviewed the close relations between the two countries and discussed means to further strengthen bilateral cooperation in support of their shared interests and the aspirations of their peoples. President al-Sisi expressed his appreciation to His Majesty for his sincere sentiments towards Egypt and its people, noting that they reflect the deep, long-standing ties between the two countries. He also wished Bahrain and its people continued progress and prosperity under His Majesty's leadership. Chairman of the Supreme Council of Health, Chairman of the Bahrain Council for Health Studies and Specializations, Lieutenant General Dr. Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdullah Al Khalifa visited the University of Bahrain in the presence of the Minister of Health, Dr. Jalila Hassan, where the first computer-based medical residency admission examination was held. He said that Bahrain continues to enhance the efficiency and sustainability of healthcare services provided to citizens and residents, in line with the vision and aspirations of His Majesty the King, with the follow-up of His Royal Highness the Crown Prince and Prime Minister. The examination is held in cooperation with the Arab Board of Health Specializations. Lieutenant General Dr. Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdullah said that the examination marks an important step in enhancing Bahrain's medical training system by applying unified, high-quality mechanisms for selecting qualified medical professionals, supporting residency programs, and preparing a qualified healthcare workforce in line with approved professional standards. The Minister of Health highlighted the efforts of the Supreme Council of Health and its partners in planning, supervising, and implementing the examination. She underscored the importance of strengthening partnerships with specialized regional institutions to support medical training and prepare qualified healthcare professionals while enhancing the quality and sustainability of Bahrain's healthcare sector. Nasij held the groundbreaking ceremony for the infrastructure works of the Amwaj Avenue project at the entrance to Amwaj Island in Muharraq Governorate, in the presence of the President of the Survey and Land Registration Bureau, Engineer Basim bin Yaqub Al-Hamar, Chief Executive of the Urban Planning and Development Authority, Engineer Ahmed Abdelaziz Al-Khayyat, Chief Executive of Nasij, Amin Al-Arayid. Al-Hamar said that the project reflects the growth and diversification of Bahrain's real estate sector and the strength of public-private partnerships in supporting urban development. He added that the cooperation with the real estate developers remains a priority to enhance services, speed up business processes, and create a more attractive investment environment. Al-Khayyat said the project marks a strategic milestone, moving urban plans from planning to implementation, and reflects the authority's commitment to delivering sustainable projects to the highest standards of quality and efficiency. The Minister of Labour and Minister of Legal Affairs, Youssef Khalaf, visited a number of construction sites to assess compliance with the summer midday work ban under Edict 5 of 2026. During the visits, the minister reviewed the safety measures in place and met with occupational safety supervisors, stressing the importance of maintaining safe working conditions to prevent workplace injuries and heat stress, particularly during the summer months. Khalaf praised the high level of compliance with the decision, saying it reflected employers' commitment to providing safe and healthy working conditions and protecting workers from heat-related risks. He noted that such measures were consistent with occupational safety and health requirements and supported Bahrain's efforts to foster a safe and productive work environment. The Ministry of Labour's inspection teams continue to carry out daily visits to workplaces covered by the decision during the prohibited hours to verify compliance. Housing and Urban Planning Minister Amna Rumaihi, accompanied by Youth Affairs Minister Rawan Tawfiqi, visited Youth City 2030, which is organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs in partnership with strategic partner Tamkeen to review the programs and initiatives featured in its 15th edition. The visit highlighted the city's training programs, which aim to equip Bahraini youth with the skills and knowledge needed for the future through an integrated training environment combining theory and practical application. The ministers also toured the 5 training centers, learning about their specialized programs and their role in discovering and developing talent, fostering creativity and innovation, and preparing young people to contribute to national development. The tour also included the Minister of Housing and Urban Planning stand, which marks the 9th stop of its mobile branch initiative for housing, finance and services. Hosted by Youth City 2030, it introduces young people to available housing solutions and financing options while encouraging early planning for their housing future. BDF Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Diab bin Sagr al-Naimi paid an inspection to the GCC Unified Maritime Operations Center, where he was briefed on the center's work as well as its role and responsibilities in monitoring maritime events and activities in the region, coordinating efforts among the GCC naval forces, and assessing potential threats to draw up the necessary operational plans to address them. He was also briefed on the center's operating procedures. The center, which is affiliated with the GCC Unified Military Commandant, monitor maritime events and activities across the region, coordinates roles among the GCC naval forces, and assesses potential threats, relying on advanced naval military systems to protect sea lines of communication and waterways, in cooperation with the navies of brotherly and friendly countries. Al-Naimi said the center embodies one of the most prominent outcomes of cohesion among GCC states, noting its pivotal role in strengthening military cooperation and integration among the GCC naval forces. He added that the center supports the security and safety of maritime navigation and stability in the region by enhancing mechanisms for joint GCC coordination and cooperation and advancing maritime security and defense capabilities. The Chief of Staff also praised the significant role carried out by the center and its tasks it performs, as well as the efforts of the GCC naval personnel stationed there, commending their efforts, their effective fulfillment of the center's duties, and their high efficiency in confronting the maritime risks and challenges facing the Arabian Gulf region. In a pioneering move in archaeological research, the Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities, BACA, launched a joint initiative with the Survey and Land Registration Bureau and the Tokyo National Research Institute for Cultural Properties to uncover Bahrain's underwater heritage. On the occasion, BACA President Sheikh Khalifa bin Ahmed bin Abdullah Al Khalifa found the cooperation with government bodies and cultural institutions helps enhance opportunities for uncovering the kingdom's historical heritage and opens up new horizons for research and documentation. More in this report.
From the depths of the sea, a new journey begins to explore the Kingdom of Bahrain's rich history, in an endeavor that utilizes the latest technologies to uncover underwater archaeological treasures, revealing details of a civilization that has been linked to the sea since the dawn of history. In a pioneering step in archaeological research, the Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities has launched an initiative in collaboration with the Survey and Land Registration Bureau and the Tokyo National Research Institute for Cultural Properties to uncover submerged cultural heritage. This collaboration aims to document the historical heritage and advance archaeological research by integrating modern technology with field studies, while utilizing marine survey techniques, geophysical surveys, and sonar systems to support the discovery of submerged archaeological sites. The initiative also aims to utilize modern technologies to explore archaeological artifacts and shipwrecks beneath the sea to understand the Kingdom of Bahrain's human history and highlight its historical connection to the sea as one of the most important components of its cultural identity. According to UNESCO, underwater cultural heritage is defined as all cultural or historical remains that have been submerged for at least 100 years. This is a broad field that reflects the importance of preserving submerged heritage that tells the stories of ancient civilizations.
As part of the government's ongoing efforts to improve and re-engineer public services, the Supreme Council for Environment (SCE) developed the Request to Register Land Cooling and Air Conditioning Units digital service. The Chief Executive of the SCE, Amna Rumaihi, said the service strengthens oversight of the circulation and the use of controlled refrigerants through an integrated electronic database that supports traceability, inspection, programs, and compliance with environmental requirements. She added that the upgrade reflects the SCE's commitment to developing and improving the efficiency of its digital services, reducing processing time and effort, and enhancing operational effectiveness. As part of government's efforts to improve and re-engineer public services, the Ministry of Justice, Islamic Affairs and Waqf developed its request for a certified copy of a notarized document service under the notary services sector by making it available electronically through the electronic notary services portal. The service enables beneficiaries to submit requests and receive certified copies electronically without the need to attend in person.